Hi.
Mommy, want me to answer it?
Keep singing. You're gonna open the door, okay, Noah?
No, stop holding it.
He's not. He's laying down.
Mommy, I need some space because I can't reach. Oh, Mommy.
What happened?
Oh, the below.
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna open the door soon, okay, honey?
Okay, Mommy.
Yay! Matthew did it! Yay! Matthew's a hero! Say thank you, Matthew.
Hug. Cause you know why? I
Yeah.
was deep in, and then I turned it this way, then I just did that.
Good job, Matthew. Mommy couldn't open. I quit. I was like waiting for Daddy to come home. Look at his hair. He's had look. Uh-oh. It's stuck, Noah. Let me help you with that, okay?